Having the right mindset can be the blueprint for success in life and in any organization. The right mindset may serve as the model for success in life and inside any given company. According to Stanford University professor Carol Dweck, there are two mindsets that people can have when approaching learning. When stuck, a person with a fixed mindset will believe their abilities have been exhausted. On the other hand, a person with a development mindset will view the same issue as a challenge and a chance to advance their knowledge. People who have a growth mindset welcome challenges, persevere through hardships, learn from constructive criticism, and look for inspiration in the accomplishments of others. They think that with hard work and perseverance, one may develop one's abilities and intelligence. Regardless of mistakes or achievements, those with a growth mindset are determined to learn new things. Even after they make it in life, successful people frequently continue to work on themselves. Changing your perspective to one of growth is difficult. To adapt to changes, you must stretch yourself outside your comfort zone. Here are some techniques for cultivating a growth mindset. Accept imperfection and embrace it. Having a growth mentality helps you accept the truth that you can't possibly know everything. We should not let our defects or flaws prevent us from achieving our goals. Quit looking for others' approval. We frequently obsess over what other people think of us. Seeking the acceptance of others can keep us from developing ourselves. For instance, you might pitch risk-averse company concepts out of a desire to avoid upsetting your manager. You'll be reluctant to think creatively. Begin to feel purpose. Do a quick self-evaluation and answer the question, is my life purpose-driven? If so, explain your goals and how you plan to accomplish them. It will assist you in determining the abilities and information required to achieve your final goals. Speed is not essential. Everything worthwhile takes time. A new skill can be learned just like a new instrument. To get the most out of your training, you keep doing it. A development mindset tells you that as long as you put in the work and strive for achievement, speed is unimportant. Use criticism to learn from. There will be instances when you perform poorly or make blunders. People will critique you and offer advice on how to improve. Don't interpret feedback as an assessment of your skills. Be receptive to criticism and work to improve. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.